Today we start the lecture planning of industrial unit. How to plan the industrial unit? What is the aim of planning of industrial unit? Why we will plan industrial unit? Keeping the answer of the above points or above question, we will plan an industry or industrial unit to promote yourself in independence. For the planning of an industrial unit, before we remember the three steps like a pre-planning stage and implementation stage, and third is post-implementation stage. In pre-planning stage, the following points which are very important to prepare our pre-planning stage, like a scanning the environment, market survey, seeking information, and selection of product project. Scanning of environment. In case of when we start to think about the planning of an industry, we get the market survey and find out the result regarding the starting of the new industry unit. Before starting the new industrial unit, we go in market and survey how the product is running, how the market is running, what is the current scope of a particular product in the market. Market is basically based on the consumers. So we try to get the information from the consumers which type product are required them and what is the availability and what is the quality of product and how much their satisfaction regarding to product, a particular product. To find the opinion of the consumers, we try to contact the persons, shopkeepers, distributors. When we go in the market, we will try to know how the particular product is useful to consumers and how much liking by the consumers. And another point, seeking information, gets the information related to product, related to market, what is the negative points, what is the positive point, what is the thinking about the product and product quality, what is the availability of the product in the market, how much cost, which costly product are cheap product. All such information gathered, and finally we then decide the product. When we get the product and decide the product, then project is selected. When the project is selected, then our second stage, implementation stage is started. Implementation stage means the stage under which the work will be executed to the plan of industry. Keeping in view of the plan of industry, in case of implementation stage, we prepare the project planning report. In project planning report, we get the information, what is the requirement of the project, what is how much cost required, how much production per day, how much the industry, how where is the place, where is the market, everything will be decided and prepared in pre-planning report. After then, pre-planning report, we go to DIC registration. DIC means District Industrial Center, Jila Udyog Kendra. We go there and registered himself or herself as according to our need. After the registration, the second step will be arrangement of the land. Land is required to establish the industry. Industry, for the establishment of the industry, land is a major parameter. According to that, according to land site, according to their position, their location, it gives very matter in establishment of industry. If land is good means land is near the market, land is near the city, it means land is required to land site should be the near the road side, near the market side, near the where we get the raw materials and other required material in industry is required, you can get easily. And another point is arrangement of power. Power arrangement is depend on the types of industry. Industry is on the depends on the power like mechanical power or electrical power. It is the major source of energy which will operate to industry or operate to industrial machines. In case of arrangement of power and arrangement of power, obtaining the NOC license from the various departments. Obtaining the NOC from the various department means the department which is control the environmental condition, pollution condition, etc. In case of industry development, industry installation, NOC's major roles, major with different departments. Who is your industry or this industry is going to harm, produce the harm for the क्या कहते हैं uh, for the ये affect the environment due to the industrial activity. Keeping in view, different license agencies are available at different government departments are available which provide the which are established for the control the environment. According to that, industry nature required to go get the license from the various departments. Preparation of DPR, detailed project report. Detailed project report is required to prepare to get the sanction from DIC. And DPR is also helpful to get the sanction and implementation work, how to establish the industry, where we get the raw material, where we get the machines, where we will get the labor, skilled labor, non-skilled labor, and where we will get the mechanics. According to that, DPR we will select, prepare, and submit to DIC. Seeking financial assistance to establish an industry, it is required to money. Then we get the money from the financial assistance from the financial institutions like a bank. To get the financial assistance, we go the bank and get the loan and establish the industry. It may be, may not be. If entrepreneur is a money lender, it may be required not the money, not the financial assistance. It may be not a richer person. He required the financial assistance. After then, next point is commercial production. Commercial production is production which is required to products on market level. Commercial production means industry is producing the products according to their capacity. When the commercial production started, then last stage is post implementation stage started. When commercial production started, then we get the permanent registration from DIC. As you know, DIC means Jila Udyog Kendra, District Industrial Center. After permanent registration, we entitled to get the subsidy. After the varying subsidy, diversification. early modification may be started, and after diversification, set up the market channel and get the distributor, mark, produce the product, and introduce in market, and complete the establishment of an industry. Thank you.